A warm welcome to all. Today topic we are going to see about a human resource audit in HRM. I am Vijay Lakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinada College. Then what is human resource audit? It is not only a tool, it helps to evaluate the personal activities of an organization. That means the human resource activities that have taken place in the organization, the work related to the human resources, everything, the activities related to human resource, everything will audited under human resource auditing. And it also an important aspect of the human resource management is the process of evaluating the performance of human resource department and its activities undertaken and the policies followed towards the accomplishment. The definition: HR audit refers to examination and evaluation of policies, practices and procedures to detect effectiveness and efficiency of human resource management and verify its mission, objectives and policies, procedures, programs are chased and expected results achieved or not. HR audit also suggests a future improvement based on past activities measurement. Next we see objectives of human resource audit. The first one is examination of human resource functions. This to conduct an independent, objective, and systematic and critical examination of the HR functions of an organization. To throw light on the strength and weakness in training, communication, and other employment practices. So, what is the plus and minuses in training and communication between the employees and other employment practices? The next one is to identify the gaps, lapses, irregularities, shortcomings in the implementation of policies, procedure, practices, whatever the case it might be executed by the human resource department, whether the execution is implemented as per the expectation or not, and to be identified where is the expectation, where is the original, the gap between the expectation and what actually they have got. So to give suggestion about the how to remedies to fill the gap. The next one is evaluate the performance. To evaluate the performance of the personnel staff and employees with reference to the performance appraisal reports and suggest suitable measures for improving the efficiency of the employees. So the human resource staffs, the performance of the employees will be evaluated through the performance appraisal methods and give the suitable measures for improving their efficiency. How the employee efficiency will be improved by getting the performance appraisal, where they are lacking can be identified and improvement will be taken up by way of giving training to the employee. At last one is we should recognize and appreciate the performance of human resource personnel always. The employee performance should be rewarded and recognized. They should be appreciated and recognized. It is important whether the appreciation, recognition, reward has been given to the employee is taken up or not is to be audited by the human resource auditor. The next topic we are going to see about benefits of human resource audit. The benefits: the human resource audit clarifies the department roles, duties, and responsibilities, and problems and reasons for low productivity. See, the audit advice associates will be there to clarify the benefits might have from human resource audit under three levels. One is in strategy, another one is in operation, another one is in administrative level. So benefits at strategy level is nothing but they identifies the human resource department contribution in the company, then makes the HR function business driven and reveals way to strengthen its impact on achieving company results. And third one, it ensures the objective data and information needed for the company's strategic planning. So strategic benefit at strategic level is nothing but what the contribution has made by the human resource audit, sorry, human resource department, and make sure that the contribution done by the department is towards the business growth or not, it strengthens the achievement or not, it added advantage the company result or not, it makes sure about it. The third one is ensuring that objective data and information is needed for the company at the strategic level or not. The next one is the benefit at operational level. It helps align human goals to corporate strategy and goals. The what the human resource department pertains the goal, it to be achieve the corporate goal or not, it match with the corporate goal, or that is human resource department goal equal to corporate goal. The steps taken by the human department, it always to be the achievement of the company goal. That one. The next one, it develops and improves professional image of the human resource department and clarifies the human resource department roles, duties and responsibilities, finds critical HR problems and reason for low productivity, and ensuring that greater responsibility and professionalism among members of human resource department, and for more self-confidence in human resource function realization. And also it stimulates identify and alignment of human resource policies and practices within the company, and reduces HR costs through encouraging function for more effective forecasting and planning. So almost in a way, it clarifies the roles and duties. At the operation level, the HR audit clarifies what is the role the human resource department has to play, what is the responsibility they have to taken up in hand, then they have to find the solution for the low productivity, and encourages to accept the greater responsibility among the members of human resource department, and also stimulates identify and alignment of HR policies. So what are the policies framed by the HR department should be identified and matched with the organizational achievement, and at last they have their motto to reduce the HR cost. So by encouraging employee, they will function more, the efficiency will be more if they've been appreciated and encouraged. By that way, the HR cost get reduced. Then the next one is the benefit at administrative level. It provides specific, measurable and verifiable data of current state, and ensures timely compliance with the legal requirement and the company and mandated regulation and profession standard. Reviews employees files record registered and information. At last, the administrative level, they will check out all the files and records maintained as per the procedure laid down in the human resource audited. And the thing that the HR department is following the all legal formalities, legal requirements and regulation mandated or not. Then review HR information system. These are all the benefits of having the human resource audit. Hope you clear with that. Thank you all.